Hi friends, mga kabadig! Good morning! Xin chào! We are still right here in the beautiful and amazing Vietnam. Guys, today would be our last day. Later on, we'll fly na ta padulong sa Pilipinas, riding at the Cebu Pac, and then mapawato ta sa Nino International Airport. And finally guys, ang atuang journey, maburo yung kayo. It took us only 7 days to travel right here in Vietnam. Then we went to Thailand and nindot kayo experience dito, no? The building, the food, the people. Halami kayo balikan guys, pero what time mahimo kay God dito kayo to bakasyon. And right now, nata diri sa Vietnam, kay this is our exit country. And finally guys, mo end na gid atong journey. But hey, there's more. Mo travel pa dito suliton to oras guys. Mo travel mi padulong dito sa very famous tunnel kauban og mga international tourists. Mo adto dito guys in a bus no later on at 12:45. So join in our group and we'll explore the city, the beauty of the city, particularly the tunnel guys. Kuya gyud mo guys ha. Sige, join me and we will explore the beautiful Vietnam. Ito na po yung sunod natin sa K-Tunnel going to Thu Tunnel. So isa pong famous na tunnel sa whole Vietnam. The bus is already here to ferry us to the very famous tunnel right here in Vietnam. Our tour guide is here and is ready to tour us around the tunnel. And they're so kind that they're going to send us to the airport. So thank you. So here we go guys. There we go. Hi, hello from the Philippines. Yes, thank you so much. So we're heading to the famous tunnel right here in Vietnam. So we're so glad that we're a part of this tour. Later on at 10 o'clock, we'll be heading fly back to the Philippines. So we're so happy that we're able to bump with a travel agency and just promote this kind of time, this travel. So we immediately afford this tunnel, the tour because they said that once we're here in Vietnam, you have to see the famous tunnel. So with me are the friends. Okay, they're here. We do not know what nationalities these people are. Let me check. Hi guys, we're actually with the other tourists right here. A very special trip, 2-hour trip going to the tunnel. The very famous tunnel right here in Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. I think not in Ho Chi Minh, but in Vietnam itself. We do not know what municipality or area would that be, but we're so happy that we're able to join with the trip. All the tourists here. Yeah, tourist guys. Guys, first experience, mapabilang po tayo sa mga tourist dito po sa Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. At pupunta po kami doon sa tinatawag nilang napakatanyag na tunnel. No? So dito po yung sa Vietnam. Kumbaga kung nag-Vietnam ka man lang, ay puntahan mo na yung tinatawag nila na tunnel. Kasama po natin ngayon ay mga tourist po galing ng iba't ibang bansa. So meron tayo, doon at noon yung sa may bandang likuran, talagang anong nationality nila. So ngayon ay sinusundo lahat ng mga tourists na nag-abil po na ganitong mga travel. It's raining outside. Excited po tayo guys, pupunta doon sa tinatawag nilang tunnel. We do not know ano po meron doon sa tunnel na yun at ito po yung isa sa mga pinaka-tourist attractions po dito sa Ho Chi Minh. Super nice po talaga at mababait yung mga Vietnamese. Napapasalamat tayo na sa ganito pagkataon na meet natin ng mga tao na napaka-bait, no? Iba talaga yung orientation ng mga Vietnamese patungkol po sa serbisyo, pakitungo sa ibang tao ay napaka-lambing at napaka-maalaga po, no? Very thoughtful po itong mga Japanese po natin. So right now, ang tour guide po natin kanina ay nagsabi na po na ipapasulat at confirm po yung mga pangalan ng mga turista. So right now we're doing it, we're complying with what our tour guide is telling us to, I think, validate if our names are here listed. So it's gonna be a very exciting trip. Thank God for this opportunity, guys. Okay, so we're only Filipinos right here. I have not seen any Filipino, our counterpart. And we are here in one of the hotels here in Phuket. I think we're actually fetching tourists to be with us in this tour package going to the tunnel. So that's very nice. That is a very nice experience. So we only have here the different types of personalities. Ayan, isang maulan na morning po sa lahat. There's a heavy rain outside. I think this is all throughout Vietnam. But we're too excited to be there, guys. Na yung mga lalahi, kanyang lahi. Meron po tayong mga iba't ibang lahi na sasama po sa atin sa tour na ito. Dito po ay may sinusunod tayo sa Astoria Hotel. Yung isang kasama po natin mamaya. Okay? So, isang maulan na umaga po sa lahat. It's raining outside and we are still in front of the 825 Star Hotel, and I think we're actually fetching somebody right here to join us in our trip. So we're just gonna wait for them to come out. There is still a space right here. I think 4 seats are still available at this point in time. So mamaya po.
Alter, das ist zu gefährlich. Nein, das ist zu gefährlich. Oder das ist einfach.